In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix a Facebook failed problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the upload failed is go to the settings page on your phone, and then it will take you to this page. Scroll down and go to the apps manager, go again to apps, and on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. All what you have to do here is scroll down until you find Facebook and click on it like this, and then all what you have to do is click on this force stop option. And after you click on it, now all what you have to do is simple. Just make sure to go to the permissions and check if the storage is enabled, and after that go back, click on storage, click on clear data, and now the last step is restart your phone and now reopen Facebook, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.